Hey guys, what's going on? Tonight on Cooking with Adam, we'll be making salmon with Salsa Verde and Israeli Couscous. Stay tuned. Hey guys, a few things. First up, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And if you like this video and you've not smashed that like button, please smash that like button on this video and all my other videos that you like. If you need the recipe guide to follow step by step, links in the description. Shoot over to the site. You can follow step by step on the recipe guide along with the video. If you need any cooking tools, there's a link in the description in this video as well as on all my other videos and on the page at the website. Finally, this meal is being brought to you by Plated. So if you want to try them out, special code and link is in the description here and on the website. With that said, let's get cooking. Ladies and gents, here are the ingredients we are working with tonight. We have, first up, 2 cornichons or baby pickles. We have ½ ounce of parsley. We have 1 lemon. We have a teaspoon of capers. We have 3 ounces of baby spinach. We have 1 scallion. We have 10 ounces of salmon. We have ½ cup of peas. We have 1 clove of garlic. We have 2 tablespoons of slivered almonds. Let's see that. There we go. We have 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar. And last but certainly not least, we have 1 cup of Israeli couscous. And as for cooking tools, you need a few things. You need a pan with a cover. You need a pot, small to medium sized. 5 bowls to slice and dice things. You'll need some olive oil. You need your favorite knife. Some measuring spoons, or you can wing it. There's always salt and pepper. You also need a juice machine or a juicer. You juice the lemon or you can wing it. You need 1 bowl. I'm running out of room. There we go. And a strainer for the couscous. With that said, I'm going to rinse the produce and put up some water to boil. Here's what we're doing. We're finely chopping the parsley. We're going to mince the cornichons, mince the capers, mince the garlic, half the lemon, and finally slice the scallion. Easy. We're going to add some salt to the boiling water. And I'm going to add a ½ cup of couscous. And let it boil for about 8 minutes. And now to explain what I just did is the salt actually breaks down the garlic and now you have a nice paste. So I just kept on dicing a little bit more and then using the edge of the knife and pushing down with some pressure and mixing a nice paste. We'll use this a little later, step or 2. And there you go, that's how you make garlic paste. Easy peasy. We're now going to make the salsa verde. If you have a whisk, this will help. So Pretty simple to do. We're going to add the ingredients we just chopped up into a bowl and mix together. So here come the pickles. Going with the parsley. Then we have the capers. The garlic paste. I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. One 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Juice of 1/2 lemon. I like this little contraption because it catches all the seeds. And finally, we're going to put 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar in the mixture. Mix that together. If you want to add some pepper, you can always do that as well. Just let it marinate once you're done. It takes seconds to do. There you go. Alright, we're going to heat up a little olive oil. And we're going to add the spinach and peas to the pan. Let it heat up for about 2 minutes, and then add that to the couscous. Take the wooden spoon, mix it around, and just let it cook or wilt for about 2 minutes. Alright, so the spinach and the peas are now ready to go in the couscous. I want to adjust the camera. There we go. Now I'm going to add the heat. Add it to the pot of the couscous and start with the couscous. Okay. Add the scallions. The almond. Oops, this one. I missed it too. Mix that together. Good. Then put a 1/4 teaspoon of some salt. 1/8, here's a 1/4. A little hint of pepper. Mix that together. And the couscous is now finito. Cover it back up because we're going to now sear the salmon. And then 1 plate the dish. Pretty simple, right? Alrighty, so we're going to place some salt and pepper on the salmon. To be honest, the pieces look a little small, but it is what it is. Alright, so it says put salt and pepper all over the salmon. Go. And we're now going to head over to the pan. Alright, so now I'm going to add some oil. We're nice and hot, piping hot. Spin it around. And we're going to put both pieces of salmon in, skin side down for 5 minutes. We'll also add lemon to the pan as well. All right, we're not going to flip. Before we do that, take the lemon and put it on both. And flip. We're now going to cover for 5 minutes with part of the cover a jar, and we'll be good to go. All right, we're going to take a look. Looking pretty good. So now plate the dish. All right, so I'm going to take out the couscous. Give it a little flip. And we're going to take the salmon, orange, oh, lemon, sorry about that, orange. Get the seeds off, it's not good. And we're going to just one more time mix the salsa verde. Spoon and just put it on the salmon. I'll put some on the couscous, you can do that too. Make sure you save the other piece. Make it plenty. Ladies and gems, here's tonight's meal. Stay tuned for a review. Hey guys, the meal was fantastic. It was, how can I explain it? It was a flavor explosion from the salmon to the couscous, from the salsa verde. It was fantastic. I think adding the lemon as it's cooking onto the piece of salmon really helps a lot. It seals in the lemon flavor if you like lemon. The only change I'd make would be larger pieces of salmon and switch it to sockeye or wild salmon instead of farmed. Plated is the only one that I know of. Could be wrong, but the other 2 or 3, I do not believe you use farmed salmon. Plated uses farmed salmon. It's always better to get sockeye or wild salmon. Aside from that, delicious meal. The flavors are fantastic. You taste everything. So, any questions, comments, concerns, refunds, criticisms, comment below, message me directly here, social media, on the website, wherever you guys like to. If you like this video, smash that like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. It's over there, down there, somewhere. Until next time, keep cooking.